Hello, and this is beaconequity.com. Today we're looking at GOOG, which is Google, for November 26, 2010. We're looking at a 3-year chart. Each candle is 1 week in trading length. And we can see after we had a low here of $247.30, we had a very nice rally upwards. You can see that if we were to take a look at our low points, with the exception of this slight violation of our support trend, it really starts to become very clear over the second half of the trend as we basically start to move up in a very straight line, and the volatility is not quite as violent. So basically we move up nice and straight here, and we hit a high here of 629.51. Where we break this trend support line, the stock has a little bit of a pullback. Now we had prior support here at our prior resistance, I should say, at 447.34, and then so basically this area becomes a new support, and we've bounced from this area. So from when we break this trend support line, we move into a downtrend line. You can see the MACD line also gives us a sell signal, confirming that we're moving in a downtrend, and where we break this resistance line, you can see the MACD line crosses up. Now we've run into more resistance where our last high was. We're failing to break out past this particular point, so this is not a very positive sign. Indicates we're going to see a pullback here. Now the MACD line is starting to hook downwards. We could, if we were to take a look at our low points here on this current trend, it looks like we may have broken below this support here, and we may see this MACD line cross. We could come back down, test this support area, but right now we're building up a lot of resistance at, below 629, below $630. So right now this is basically going to be the key level to break. If we can get above this 630 level, we should see a nice run, but as it is, we failed to break out past this area. It looks like we're going to come back down. Where we could land very likely could be around this $430 area, or we may see some possible support here at 520. You can see that we had some nice support here at 520, and that may also be, we also had support here. This could possibly be a logical location for this stock to land and retry the resistance. And that sums up our chart analysis for today. Beaconequity.com has not been compensated for this video.